This is the first of a series of videos showing you how to create question banks. They're a great time saver, easy to administrate, and can grow over time into a tailor-made resource for your organisation. The tests on clinicalskills.net are all based on question banks, so in order to create a test, you first need to identify which question bank or banks you're going to use. But we're going to start simple. Before you decide to create your first test, we recommend that you explore the question banks that we've already created for you. To do this, you have to be logged in as an organisation administrator. If you need a reminder of your login details, just email us at info@clinicalskills.net and we'll send the information to you again. Once you're logged in as an organisation administrator, go to the dashboard and you have to select Resources Management. This is where your available resources are. In this case, procedures and available question banks. You can sort the type of resource by clicking on the Type column header. Here you have 4 procedures, then the question banks, and that's what we're interested in. If there are more than 10 items, then select Other Pages by clicking here. In this series of videos, I'm going to create a test on infection control. By typing infection control into this search box and then clicking on Apply, the page will list all the relevant question banks. Now there are 6 question banks available here. Just take a minute to look at these 2 columns. Number of random questions and the total number of questions. The number under total number indicate how many questions there are in this particular question bank. And the column under number of random questions indicates how many questions that bank will deliver when you use it to create a test. So this one, for example, will deliver 3 questions at random from a bank of 22 questions. Now at this stage, all I'm going to do is look at what questions are available. To do this, just click on the title of a question bank. Let's have a look at the Aseptic Technique Key Principles. You'll see that under the View tab, the questions appear with their possible answers. And it also tells you what sort of questions they are. These are all single choice questions. They have several answers to choose from, but only one of them is correct. The View tab on this page is quite important because when you get to creating your own custom-built tests, it's useful to be able to refer to this page. So I'm going to scan the types of questions in these question banks and decide whether they would be good for the test that I want to create. Sometimes you might need to leave this page open in a separate window or on a separate tab if your browser allows it. To get comfortable with this, why not explore the other question banks you have available and then go on to the next video.